Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to put together this Tenda 08 outside 5 gigahertz access pointer transmitter. So these are all the components, all different parts. So I'm going to put it together for it to look like a dish. So this is a centerpiece for the dish, Tenda. And this is one side there. So here we have a groove there, these slots. Right, click it in place. Now to ensure that it is secure, I'm going to use some screws to secure those two parts there. Other side, similar. Right, so you slide it in. And then of course, as for ubiquity, normally ensure that I get this off, make it much easier, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna line it up on the back there like that. So we have those clipping section there. Should get it down so that actually clip. Right, that's the sound I want to hear. Right, once you hear those sound, secure. You can see I have to ensure that all four actually clip down there. As you can see, the dish is more sturdy now. Definitely gonna use these screws, but once you get it done like that, for me these screws, they are not really needed because these actually keep the dish in place. So now let's go to the radio. So this is the radio. Just line it up. Ethernet part go down there. And again, you're gonna listen for that sound, that clipping sound. Right. So perfectly in now. Now as for the back piece. Screw it on like that. Right, perfect, you're good to go. Do all necessary connection configuration. So again, I will be doing a video showing you how to configure this unit. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.